Hello mga kaMathmates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit mo na yung post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bagong video. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jonard Castillo for sharing our presentation today. So tell something about the picture. So intersection of lines wherein the point of intersection is point C. So three lines intersect with each other. And then meron silang common point which is yung point C. How about the second picture? So it is the intersection of two planes wherein the intersection of two planes is a line. So line CD yung kanilang intersection. How about the third picture? So that is the union of the sperm cell and the egg cell. So in science. So that's the union of the sperm cell and egg cell. How about the last picture? It shows unity or cooperation. So ang mga salitang common doon sa pinakita ko mga pictures ay union at intersection. For your activities, answer the following questions. So which of the following shows the union of set A and set B? How many elements are in the union of A and B? So dito sa tatlong pictures, ano kaya ang nagpapakita ng union of set A and set B? Do you have any idea? The answer is picture 2. So that shows the union of set A and set B. 2. Which of the following shows the intersection of set A and set B? How many elements are there in the intersection of A and B? Do you have any idea? Alin daw sa tatlong pictures ang nagpapakita ng intersection of set A and set B? So picture 3. So from our question, what elements may be found in the intersection of 1 and 2? So how many are there? So what elements may be found in the union of 1 and 2? And then how many are there? So do sa first two questions natin, so ito yung mga objects na makikita natin doon sa intersection ng 1 and 2. So pag sinabi natin intersection of 1 and 2, so these are things that they have in common. Ano ba yung magkatulad sa dalawang pictures? There are three elements in the intersection of sets 1 and 2. Kapag naman union of 1 and 2, things that are combined. So pinagsama lang natin lahat ng objects and there are 8 elements in the union of sets 1 and 2. So what do you think is our topic for today? Our topic for today is all about union and intersection of sets. When you say union of the sets contain all the elements of the given sets. Symbol for union of set is U. Again, ito yung all elements of the given sets. So let's have an example. So let A and B be sets. The union of the sets A and B denoted by A union B is the set that contains those elements that belong to A, P, or to both. An element X belongs to the union of the sets A and B if and only if X belongs to A or X belongs to B or to both. This tells us that A union B is the sets of all X such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B. So ano po yung ibig sabihin ng mga nabanggit na statements? Ayan. So using the Venn diagram, all of the set of A and or B are shaded to show A union B. So lahat ng shaded na parts sa inyo nagpapakita ng A union B. So you just combine all the elements or all the members. So set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, meron tayong dalawang sets. And then, we need to find the union of set A and set B. So what is A union B? So A union B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. So we just combine all the elements containing in set A and set B. Okay, so let's have another example. Set A, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So find the union of sets A and B. So our answer is A union B, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Again, tatandaan lang, when we say union of sets, we just combine all the elements containing in a given set. So how about intersection of sets? Numbers or objects that sets have in common. Again, numbers or objects that sets have in common. The symbol used to represent an intersection of sets is inverted U. So ito po yung symbol ng intersection of sets. So let A and B be sets. The intersection of sets A and B, denoted by A intersection B, is the set containing those elements that belong to both A and B. An element X belongs to the intersection of the sets A and B if and only if X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This tells us that A intersection B is the set of all X such that X is an element of A and element of B. So using Venn diagram, so the set A intersection B consists of the shared regions of A and B. So ito yung kanilang shared regions, yung nasa pinakagitna. So yun yung A intersection B. So what if wala silang common elements? Ang tawag doon ay disjoint sets. Again, sets whose intersection is an empty set are called disjoint sets. So gagamitin natin kanina yung sets of data sa example 1 and 2 para kuhanin yung intersection ng given sets. So let's have example 1. Ito yung given natin kanina na set A and set B. We need to find A intersection B. So what do they have in common? So ano yung mga common elements sa A and B? So A intersection B is 1, 3, and 5. Okay, example 2. So, ito yung set of data kanina. So, find the intersection of set A and B. So, ano yung meron sa set A na meron din sa set B? So, A intersection B is equal to 10. So, tatandaan kapag intersection, elements that they have in common in the given sets of data or objects. So, yun yung tatandaan sa intersection. So, let's have another example. So, this time, gagamit tayo ng Venn diagram, pero tatlong circle. Ayan, so tatlong circle. So, therefore, ilang sets of data meron tayo? Tatlo. So, set A, set B, and set C. So, number 1, elements of set A. Ano ba yung mga elements si set A? Tumingin tayo dun sa circle A. Ayan, sa circle A natin. 1, 2, 3, 8. So, yun yung mga elements si set A. How about set B? Tumingin naman sa kabilang bilog. So, ano yung mga elements ni set B? 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nakuha? Number 3, elements of set C. Nasa babang bilog, ano yung mga elements? 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11. A union B. So, tumingin dun sa dalawang bilog na nasa taas. Pagsasamahin lang natin yung mga elements ni A at B. So therefore, A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So yun po yung A union B. Nakuha? So A union C. So what is A union C? We just combine all the elements containing in sets A and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, and 11. So how about B intersection C? So B intersection C, 3, 7, and 10. How about A intersection B? A intersection B, you have 3 and 8. Yun nasa gitna po ni A at B. And then last, A intersection B intersection C, yun nasa pinakagitna ng Venn diagram. That is 3. Okay, last, cardinality of sets. Pag sinabi natin cardinality, bilang ng elements, it is given by the formula. Ayan po, number of A union B equals to number of set A plus number of set B minus the number of A intersection B. So, kukuhanin natin yung cardinality nung dalawa nating examples kanina. So, paano kukuhanin? So, ito yung given natin sa example 1. Kukuhanin natin ang cardinality of sets. So, we have the number of set A is 5. 5 po yung set A. 5 din yung set B. Minus their intersection. Ano ba yung magkatulad sa kanila? 1, 3, at 5. So, tatlo yun. So, therefore, 5 plus 5 minus 3. Therefore, the number of A union B is 7. So, ganun lang po yung pagkuha ng cardinality ng sets. How about our second example? So, ito yung ating sets of data for set A and set B. So, you have number of A is 5. The number of set B is 5 minus. Ano yung magkatulad sa kanila? Only 10, 1. So, therefore, 5 plus 5 is 10 minus 1. Therefore, the number of A union B is 9. So, therefore, that is our answer. So, I hope that you learned something today about the union and intersection of sets. To summarize our lesson, ito po, yung A union B is the set of all the values of X, wherein it is an element of A or X is an element of B. So, yung ating shaded region. Pag naman, intersection of set, yun nasa pinaka-gitna. It is the set of X such that X is an element of A and an element of B. So, it's your time to answer your activity. So, have fun answering. And God bless. So that's all for our video today. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends and classmates. See you on my next video tutorial. Goodbye!